So to start off, let's take a look at a couple of functions. First off, let's look at the today function. And one thing I want you to know in this chapter is that we do indeed have that formulas tab, and you can access insert function up here and basically look for any function instead of going to the auto sum button on the home tab. So the today function, if we search for it, and then pick it, just opens up a box and it tells you this function takes no arguments. That means nothing goes in the parentheses. So here's what this looks like. It's equals today and then just open and close parentheses. That's it. That is the today function. So it is used to enter a date. Now, there is a function called the now function, and you can type in functions. So if I type in equals and the word now, and then open parentheses, close parentheses, because nothing goes in the parentheses for the today function or the now function. And when I press enter, what this one does is it puts the day, but it also puts the current time. So that's the difference between the now and the today function. And in a lot of your projects, you're going to insert that now function to insert today's date. Okay, second one is the fill handle. We've talked about the fill handle in the past. We used the fill handle on this actual activity where we just pull the edge down. So what the fill handle does is it copies the function or formula, but it also copies the format. So that means the shading and like the number style, the number sign here, and then the gray or the white. Well, this top one is white. So if we pull the fill handle down, all of them will be white, right? And that's typically not what we want. So always pay attention to the autofill options button. And you have to use it right now because it will go away after you do the next thing. And you want to fill without the formatting. Okay. Now the fill handle can be used in this way. It can also be used to create what's called a series. A series is like a series of things, like if Mon is for Monday, if I use the fill handle and go across, it actually knows this is Tuesday, this is Wednesday. Or if I would have said day 1 and pressed enter and then used my fill handle, it automatically assumes day 2 and day 3. This is called filling a series. Okay, and it'll do the same thing with your months. So that is the fill handle